There may be no funner store in Northern Nevada to go into than Custom Truck and Accessories. Welcome to our show, Caleb Parker with Custom Truck Accessories in Reno.
Thanks for having me, Mitch.
I talk about the fun of your store. You walk in and it's just eye candy everywhere. But let's talk today about the options that you will have for protecting people's assets in the bed of their truck going into the winter season.
Of course, we offer all kinds of shells and tonneau covers that'll keep gear secure and safe and dry in the back of your trucks. We do shells from a commercial grade to a more home style grade, your traditional shells. We do tonneaus from hard tonneaus, fiberglass tonneaus, folding tonneaus to electrically operated tonneaus. We also have shells that'll do keyless entry. So it's a wide variety for fitting every budget.
Well, you have some options that can go inside the shell caps and tonneau covers as well.
That's correct. We do secure storage inside the shell as well with our truck vaults. And those are heavy-duty vaulted protection for inside your truck. And those will slide out of the bed so you can have easy access as well.
And I see a lot of people using these when they go hunting to store their firearms in them as well.
Yeah, they'll do secure weapon storage in those. A lot of hunters will come in and they'll want something that keeps their weapons, ammo, everything separate and secure depending on where they're going hunting.
And you also have items that can help you pull things out of the bed as well.
Correct. If you're just using the bed for storage and you don't want to lose that ability to reach over the side, we have bed slides as well. That allows you to pull out almost the full length of the truck.
And with winter upon us, you also offer winter tire options.
We do. We do tires from trucks and cars. A lot of people don't realize that we'll do SUVs and smaller cars as well. And we carry most of your major brands. We stock our house brand Nitto, which is very popular here. And then we can get access to all other all-terrain, all-weather, and seasonal tires.
If they start sliding around and happen to drift into a guardrail or run into an animal out on the highways, you have some serious front-end protection for them as well.
We do. Most trucks these days, the front ends are primarily plastic, fiberglass, and just molded. What we offer is full range of grill guards and to heavy-duty bumpers that protect against all that.
This is a business that you also want to put on your Christmas shopping list, the holiday season this year. Tell us about all of the fun gifts that you have available as well.
We do. We have a lot of fun small things you can pick up, to our custom-made hitch covers, to stereo systems. We offer gift cards. We even have a couple little RC cars and stuff like that in the store.
I think one of my favorite gifts that everyone's going to want to give and receive this year is your GoPro video cameras.
We do. We have the GoPro video cameras, and we're fully stocked on those right now. And those are a real great gift idea, especially with winter coming up. They mount to helmets, they mount to your chest, they mount to all your skis and snowmobiles, whatever your winter activity happens to be. And they're great for filming outdoor activities.
Well, and they are very smooth film quality as well.
Extremely smooth. They have an anti-shock built into them, so you get real smooth pictures the whole time you're filming.
It's just like a television video of what you've been out doing and what you've been enjoying. What a great gift to give. And I think a lot of people think that outside lighting is something that they would use more in the summer for rock crawling, but there's some options that you have for the winter as well.
Exactly. For winter lighting, a lot of people like to have to be completely lit. We also do low light bulbs in the yellow shades so that you can get that full range of light if it's snow coming down.
And one of the things you're obviously most well known for is lift kits.
We do a variety of lift kits. We have most of your major brands that we carry. We can turn them around really quick. So if something's not in stock, we can get it usually within a matter of days. And we've been doing lifts pretty much every day.
And one of the things we want our consumers to know is when it comes to a lift, that not every lift fits every truck, and you know which one to offer them.
We do. We run into a lot of problems with lift spot on the internet. And we'll fix those problems. If you bought your lift on the internet, we'll do our best to help you resolve that. But we do. We have a knowledge. We know what's going to go where. We know what's going to fit. And if we buy it for you and there's a problem, we fix that problem. Buy it from the internet and you have a problem, you're kind of lost.
So how can somebody get a hold of you?
You can get a hold of us at our Reno store at 329-5111 and our Carson City store at 885-8111.
That's Caleb Parker of Custom Truck Accessories, your fun toy store in Northern Nevada. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
For more information on this guest, visit the Preferred Business page on our website, tcbatv.com.